Good morning, traders. It's just before 10 to 9 on the 19th of May 2022. As always, we are on the Velocity Trader platform using the 1 hour chart for the strategy. If you like these videos, please do us a favor and subscribe, because then you'll be first to be notified of when a new one comes out. And check the links below for all of the details of our product offerings. So let's get straight into today's trading and placing our orders. As you can see, after I exited last night, it went quite a lot further down. Didn't bounce off this level as I anticipated. So it went, if you had stayed in right till the end, could have made an extra 1,000 rand. But you know, that happens sometimes. You can't always get the tops and bottoms, so I'm still happy with what we got on that trade. So I've plotted my range. I'm using the low so far, which is 389,690, and the high, which is 393,565, and then I've placed my middle point over here for stop losses. We take from the midnight candle all the way to the 8 o'clock candle to plot our range. So let's place our orders. First, let's place the buy order, $2 above, so 393,765. And then our sell order, $2 below, so 389,490. So there we have our two orders in the market. Take profit, 500 rand on either side. And then our stop loss at the middle point, which is around 330 odd rand. So just get a nice point over there. So we got that one, and that one over there. So on this trade, we're willing to lose about 350 rand for a possible gain of 500 rand. So a good risk to reward ratio. And with the upward move, if it does break out upwards, because of this big sell-off last night, I might be moving my take profit up, just to sort of maximize as much profit as possible. But I'll evaluate once we are in the trade. So continue watching to see what happens with today's trading. Right, it's 9:31. As you can see, we've been kicked into our short position. Currently at about 60, 70 rand up. Let's just have a look at the 5-minute chart. Yeah, so you can see we got kicked in here on the 925 candle at 926, and it's looking pretty promising for now. Obviously a lot can change, but yeah, looking pretty decent at the moment. Going quite quickly actually. 105 rand up. We've got our take profit here at this level over here, which I think is the perfect level. It's at the bottom right at these spikes. You'll probably find, because this is I think it's the lowest low we've had for quite a while. So if you go back, yeah, this is the 6 months worth of chart here, and yeah, there's no lower low currently. So yeah, I think that's a very good spot to put our take profit. Might find that it just bounces off there and continues upwards and maybe takes us long. We'll have to see what happens. Okay, it's 11:38 a.m. and happy to report that I've just taken profit on this trade. A few seconds ago, took 517 Rand and 89 cents. So it's yeah, looking good so far for the day. As you can see, it's now at these levels over here that I used as a support level. So now we wait to see what happens, if it's going to bounce off this and go upwards, or if it's going to continue down. As I did yesterday, if it continues down, I'll place an order to go short closer to the opening of the US markets. I don't want to place an order before then, because generally around this time of the day it gets pretty slow. So for now we sit in our hands and we wait and see what happens for the rest of the day. Okay, it's just after 25 past 3. As you can see, since we exited our trade right at the bottom over here, it's gone up, but it's not really entering into the range as of yet. So I have a suspicion it might break lower than this and continue down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place an order below the low of this candle. So the low is 3858.65. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it $5 below, just in case it goes to that point and then bounces up again. I don't want to get caught in a short trade when it goes up. So I'm going to place it, as I said, $5 below at 3853.65. So let's place that order, and then the stop loss of this order is 300 odd points away. So I'm going to place this stop loss also around 338 points away. I'm not going to place a take profit as yet. I'm going to evaluate as it goes along if it does trigger this trade. So let's see what happens on the opening of the markets in a few minutes. Okay, it's 5:53, just before 6 p.m. and just a few minutes ago we were triggered into our long position. It took quite a while, went up into the range 2 hours and then came back down, and this current 5 o'clock candle triggered us long, so we're in a long position. Let's just have a look at the 5-minute chart so I can show you where we exactly got in. Yeah, so you can see we got in here right at the top. It's currently not looking amazing with this current candle that's going down slightly. Hopefully it won't go all the way to our stop loss, and we'll then continue up. But we'll have to see what happens. We're currently 200 odd Rand down. Our stop loss is at 337 down. What I'm going to do, just to get the maximum amount of profit we can, I'm going to move my take profit up to these levels over here, to see if we can get more profit if it does go in our favor. But I'll keep you posted about that. Okay, it's 6:27. Unfortunately, that trade didn't work out for us, and as you can see, we got taken out at a stop loss. So with that trade, we lost 352 Rand and 30 cents, and that leaves our total for today at 165.59 profit. It's not ideal, considering the nice gain we made this morning, but a win is a win, and that's profit that we didn't have this morning, so I'm happy with that. So I think I'm going to call it a day. I don't foresee it going all the way down, and I don't want to place another order to go long. So I'm going to call it a day, cancel this order, and yeah, let's see what tomorrow brings. Just as always, if you like the videos we're putting out, please subscribe and check out the links below for all of our product offerings, as well as how to get a demo or a live platform for yourself with Velocity Trader. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.